Welcome to my travel vlog from iconic Kotilingeshwara Temple located near Betamangala, Kolar, Karnataka. This unique spiritual destination is famous for its 1 crore Shivalingas, the 108 feet tallest Shivalinga and a massive Nandi idol. In this video, I will take through the entire temple complex, its history and special attraction. The Nandi statue is 35 feet, lakhs of lingas arranged beautifully along walkways, shrines of Ganesha, Rama, Hanuman, Brahma, Vishnu, and others. Special areas where you can install your own Shivalingas. It's a paid service. Temple timings are 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Usually it gets crowded on weekdays. Entry fee is 20 per person. Paid parking is available for vehicles. Nearby areas you can visit is Antaragange, Avani and Bangaru Tirupati. Now let's dive into the history of the temple. The temple was initiated and constructed by a devotee named Swami Samba Shivamurti. Establishment The construction began around 1980. First installation The first Shivalinga was installed on October. Inspirations Swami Sambashivamurti was reportedly inspired by a divine dream of which Lord Shiva blessed him and gave him the vision to build the temple with 1 crore Shivalingas. The name Kotilingeshwara literally means Lord of a Kotilingas, which is 10 millions. The temple has since grown dramatically with devotees installing countless Shivalingas of various sizes. It is currently said to house over 90 lakh Shivalingas along with the main colossal statue. Main Shivalinga statue stands at 108 feet, one of the tallest in the world. Nandi statue, a large statue of the bull Nandi facing the linga, stands at 35 feet. Okay, friends, now let's enjoy the fantastic and magnificent views of Kotilingeshwara Temple.